Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Facebook Messenger. So if you're having trouble with not everyone can message this account on Facebook Messenger, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it fast and start receiving messages from everyone. So why does happen? This problem usually occurs due to privacy settings, restricting who can message you, the Facebook account restrictions such as age, business, and versus personal, or there might be temporary glitches or bugs in messengers. So the first step to fix it is you can just check your privacy settings. So open the Facebook Messenger and tap on your menu in here and go to the privacy and safety on settings. You can just find privacy in here and make sure that the message delivery settings, you can just select message requests instead of don't receive requests. So this will allow everyone to send you messages. Next, you can also switch it to a personal account if needed. So if you are using business account on Facebook, Facebook may limit messages. So you can just open the Facebook application. Tap on the menu, go to the settings and privacy. Tap on settings. And in here, you can just check if your account is set to professional mode or business page. If so, you can just try switching it to a personal file. Next, if you are using Android, you can also try to just clear the cache of the Facebook application. You can just long press on Facebook on the home screen, click on Info. Now go to the storage and cache, then hit on clear cache options. But if you are using iPhone, you can just delete and reinstall Messenger again. So by doing this, this will help you remove any glitches that might be blocking messages. And you can also check for Facebook restriction. You can open the Facebook settings and report a problem and see if your account has violations that limit messaging. If so, you can just submit an appeal to Facebook. So now you should be able to receive messages from everyone on Messenger. Let me know if you need more help. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.